Hello, I'm Gillian Robinson, registered nurse and residential care consultant, working with residential care providers across New Zealand. If you're a nurse or a manager in a residential care facility, I've got something for you that's going to be really helpful. Over the last year, I wrote and published a book that's a how-to guide for all of those things that nobody else teaches you that you need to know to be able to do your job. Anything from the governance and management, through the team building, the leadership, delegation, through clinical assessment and care planning. All of those things are written into this book for you with lots of scenarios and examples that you can use to help determine how you're going to provide excellence in care. This how-to guide will cover also all of the aspects of your role that will keep you out of the headlines and away from the complaints. All of the concepts around adverse events, quality and risk are written right throughout every chapter of the book. There's lots of references at the end of each chapter to help you with further learning. And at the end, on the last page, there's all of my contact details. Now, if you've got any queries, any little questions at all, please don't hesitate to flick me an email. I'm more than happy to help set you on the right track. So I hope you enjoy reading the book. Thank you.